there, Will. Next up, we have a koi fish. I don't know if you know about these things, but they live a really long time. And this one was called Hanako, and it died at the age of 226.
Wow. I never knew they lived such a long life.
226.
Yeah.
You know how much the world has changed in 226 years?
Uh-huh.
That koi,
Well, I don't.
that koi fish has seen a lot.
Mm-hmm.
It actually hasn't. The pond has looked the same the whole time.
Yeah. Just gets more and more algae.
All 226 years.
He's like, no,
Zero,
get me out of here.
Zero change. Shout out TechMed. I guess the people that are feeding, well, they've changed. Their styles would have changed over 200 years. Anyway, it died in 1966, and they used two of her scales to determine the age in the first place, and also to figure out, why did you live so long specifically? She was the longest living koi fish. So that was from 1751 to what? What is this?
1751 to 1977. Yeah, that's 226 years.
Oh my God.
In the 17th century.
Wait, what? 1751 to 1977?
Yeah.
Holy cow. That's shocking. I mean, obviously, as humans, we're pretty aware of lifespan. And just to have it shifted to that extent, to even imagine if we could achieve 200 years of life.
Yeah. She lived through 1800s. All of 1800s.
The entire 1800s. Yeah, just breezed through the entire 1800s. Oh, man.
What a life.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. This is interesting stuff over here.
Quite the...
Maybe you didn't know, but they get bigger, too, as they get older.
Yeah,
so
this one's quite chubby.
She was a big one by the end there. Yeah. And that's the thing. You might be looking at a koi pond and just think nothing of it. But in this case, they didn't even know. I mean, she outlived anybody who would have originally seen her there or placed, you know what I mean? Fed her or like walked past. So the only way they would know how old it was is it's like examining a tree or something.
Yes.
They got to take the scales and go, oh, damn, a lot of people been through here and you still been hanging around. Some of those turtles get old as well.
Very wise.
Oh, apologies, Nate. I'm really far away from the chat here. Nate Bown, not Brown. My bad.
How dare you?